my gluten-free friend. Hello, wherever you are in the world today. I have another product review. As you can see, it's another Longeve brand. So Longeve has all certified gluten-free, certified plant-based, non-GMO, soy-free, allergen-free protein foods. This one is a rock star, and I'm going to tell you why this one's a rock star. It's pea protein, and so it doesn't have any soy in it, which is great because I can't eat soy because I have thyroid issues, and so a lot of the plant-based proteins are out for me because I can't eat soy, and so a lot of plant-based proteins are soy. This one is not. Another thing that I love about this is it comes in this great bag, which you can see. This is super easy to pack for camping or put in your suitcase when you're flying or wherever you're going with you. This is super easy to pack. And the other thing I love about this too is that it is plain. So you can season this any way you want to. You can season it Italian style, Mexican style, Asian style, Middle Eastern style, whatever you want to do with it, you can season it however you like. And it doesn't need to be refrigerated, which I absolutely love, especially when I'm camping, because I hate carrying a lot of refrigerated stuff around. Then you have to buy a lot of ice for it, and it just goes on and on. So you can easily pack this in your camping, scramble it up with some tofu, scramble it up with some veggies for an easy camping meal, or you can do this at home if it's like the weekend and you're tired and you don't want to do a lot with it. You can easily scramble this up with some peppers or some other veggies that are your favorite veggies. Another great way to use this is to rehydrate it because it's dehydrated, as you can see from the package. But if you rehydrate this, you can put it on pizza for adding some protein, some vegetarian protein, instead of meat if you're vegetarian. And this is safe for celiacs because it's certified gluten-free. So that means that this is certified safe for celiacs. So if you're you lead a gluten-free lifestyle, especially if you're celiacs, this is the perfect vegetarian complement to your diet. So I definitely suggest trying this out. This is Longeve plant-based protein crumbles in plain. And definitely check out their website and follow them on Instagram at Longeve Foods. So my friends, I hope you're having a great gluten-free day. Remember to enjoy food, enjoy travel, and enjoy life.